this is going to be a quick video on Windows 10. So Windows 10 has a feature where you want to delete a file, you click delete, and you have a choice normally where it says confirm that you want to delete it, and you confirm it, and then it deletes it. Sometimes it's a good thing. If you know that you're deleting something, then you don't always want that confirmation box. It goes in the recycle folder. You can always get it back if you need to. And sometimes you can't. So let me show you how to fix that. So right now, let me highlight this Snapshot 2. Snapshot 2 JPEG. So I'm going to go click, hit the delete on the keyboard. And what's going to happen is it's gone. I didn't want that to happen. I wanted to get a confirmation. Let me show you how you fix that. Now I went over and restored Snapshot 2. So Snapshot 2 is back in the folder, and I'm going to show you how you fix that. What you're going to do is you're going to go, very simple to do. So what you're going to do is go to your desktop. Hopefully you've got your recycle bin on your desktop. If you don't, find your recycle bin. Get it on the desktop. Right click on your recycle bin. That means right click, press the right mouse button over the recycle bin, go to properties and press the left mouse button to click properties. Pretty simple. You're going to see this in a minute. You're going to go, wow, this guy's a genius. And here's one that's important. Don't move files to the recycle bin. Remove files immediately when deleted. Yikes. Display delete confirmation dialog. Left click. Click the left mouse button. Get the checkbox in there. Go over apply. Left click the mouse button. Apply. Left click over OK. Done. If my videos help you do that, thumbs up, subscribe, like, share, leave a comment. Affiliate links are in the video description along with a donation link from PayPal if you want to help me out. So you got this Snapshot 2 that's relocated itself where it was before. Highlight it. Go over to the delete button on the keyboard. And press that. Now remember, Windows 10 stock, that means Windows 10 straight out of the box or after you install it, gets rid of the confirmation automatically. They don't even give you the opt-in, opt-out. Well, this is opting in. But they don't give you the option, and it's just automatic. Delete. Nothing happened. Why didn't anything happen? This is why. Are you sure you want to move this file to the recycle bin? Yes, no. That is why we just did this. I'm going to click no. And we still have Snapshot 2 over there. I'm going to go back and click it again. Snapshot 2, delete. You want to remove it? Yes. I want you to watch this. Snapshot 2. Where the heck did Snapshot 2 go? Right there. I'm going to click yes. Would help if I could see what I'm doing. Snapshot 2, yes. Gone. That's how you do it, people. This tutorial is amazing. Nobody in the world knows this secret but me. Thanks for watching. Yes.